So how long will it take to do my color change on my car? The way we usually work it is we typically ask for drop-offs on Monday morning. We'll ask you to bring a vehicle in that's already been cleaned and washed. We'll have it come in on Monday. We will do the prep work that we need to do, such as we'll do a decontamination wash, and we'll also go through and clay bar it. We will take off the parts that we need to remove, such as maybe emblems, possibly mirrors, door handles, wiper or windshield sprayers. We'll kind of break it down how we need to make sure we get you the best possible wrap available. And then from there, after we've got it prepped, we'll get it all wiped with isopropyl alcohol. It's like our final wipe down. That's going to get off any remaining residue from our fingers or something like that. And then we'll be ready to wrap it. So usually about the first day, 3/4 of a day is kind of like our breakdown period. So that's like on a Monday. We might get a little bit of vinyl on it Monday. And then usually Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we're kind of doing the wrap on it, finish it up Thursday, try to get it back together between Thursday afternoon and maybe Friday morning. Then we let it sit outside in the sun for half a day or so, just to make sure everything stays down, that nothing pops up or bubbles, and then we usually have pickup on the end of the day Friday. That's a normal time frame for most of our color change wraps. I mean, if it's something that's just maybe not as complicated, it might be a day shorter, but that's an average time frame for most of our color change wraps.